Other than that, I'm great. And I didn't get a table. It's still this stupid door.
I like the door.
I do too.
It's becoming our thing, and I'm going to have to epoxy the glass so people don't spill things. But right now,
it's gonna be real cool when we don't have a table under the glass and you
I just put legs on
put
it.
legs on it. That's what I would do.
There you go.
Hello. Welcome to Tape Measure Pencil Knife. No driving to work or sipping coffee or anything like that today. Today I have a real simple project. I'm gonna turn that door with the glass panels into a table. Not a lot to it. I'm just gonna use a lot of glue and nails and screws and build a table for the podcast. I searched everywhere. I couldn't find a table that I liked, so I'm just gonna turn this door into a podcasting table. Let me get out all the tools and get this thing going. There we go. Now the first thing I want to do is cut the bottom off of that door. See how the top is a little smaller than the bottom? I want it to be symmetrical, so I'm going to cut the bottom to match the top. 4 1/8. Now that I've cut the bottom off the door to make both sides symmetrical, I'm going to cut 3 inches off the flat part of each leg to get the table to the correct height. Now my legs are cut. My door was already painted white, and that's the color I wanted, but glue does not bond well to paint. So I'm going to sand each corner of the door down to the raw wood so that when I attach the leg to the table, it's wood on wood and the glue gets a tight bond. The legs are glued and nailed to the table, but those nails are tiny 16 gauge 2-inch nails. They're barely in there. That's not gonna hold up. So we wanna pre-drill, put some 3.5 or 4-inch screws right through the top of the table into the legs. The next step is going to be adding some rails in between the legs. Flip it back over, put it on the sawhorses upside down, and add some rails in between each leg with the 1x4s I bought. That's looking pretty good, but I forgot something. Same as the legs, I have to sand the paint off. I'm gonna remove those pieces, sand the paint off where those pieces go, and then put them back on. So easy. You too could build a table for podcasting. Now that I've got the paint sanded off where the rails are going to go, I'm going to put glue on the rails and slide them back into place and toenail them into the legs from the bottom of the table. Flip the table over and nail the rails all the way around. Now I'm going to make a couple marks on top so I don't miss when nailing the rails. that's all. It's ready for paint. And I'm probably not gonna paint it because it's a podcast table. You can't really see it. I don't think you can hear it. Thanks for tuning in to Tape Measure Pencil Knife. Go turn a door into a table, friends. Also, tune into the podcast. Put a link below.